All right, darlings, I'm going to move in a little bit closer. So here's what we're doing. We're working on the solo chord melody for What the World Needs Now. And we're doing it in 4/4 time. And we've only got two chords. We've got a D minor and we've got an A minor where we're going to add the melody line right here on the C. So we start with that little D minor, even though it's not in the chart, it's sort of the lead up chord. And even though we're not playing the chord, we're making a D minor because the notes we need in the melody are already built in. So we don't have to think about it. So it looks like this: 1, 2, and then an A minor. And I'm adding that melody note here on the C. Back to a D minor. And the exact same thing. So let's do it over and over again. And so I'm tapping my foot so we can have a sense of what the pocket is. So 1, 2. Again. Now, what I did there was I just added some strumming to just add a little bit more energy, but I'm still following the contour of the chord melody. So there's other stuff you can do to fill in the space if you want. Space is good too because it gives the audience and ourselves a chance to catch up with each other. So I'm not anti-space, but there's also other ways you can fill it up. So let's try it one more time. 1, 2. That's space. So what did I do there to fill in space? I did some finger picking just to add a few little notes to this space. So there's just probably infinite ways that we can add variation to that.